Mikey, let's go shoot some zombies.
I might not be able to do
Try.
I don't know if I can do that. Well, if only one lights up, just still hold them together until it's done.
Yeah. Those are fireworks. Oh snap, they both lit.
Go a little more up. Yeah.
Get behind it.
You got scared. Come up higher. My turn, Daddy. You mean one of those guys?
What's she doing?
Try to put a whole bunch in there, Sissy.
Where'd she get it?
He dropped it
Where's her doggy?
behind the door.
What's he doing?
Making more!
Yay! We'll have full bellies for days.
I see Sissy.
You got that last one. Actually, all you have
She's
to do-
creating something.
Whatever sparkles.
Some mastermind. Oh, we got a shit ton over here.
Jack, give me your sparkles. Sissy, put that over here. Put that whole thing over here. This way.
Sissy's making a concoction here.
Right. Get all of Jack's sparkles. I want all the sparkles in there.
Every one of them?
But I like it.
Okay, we'll be back. Me. Oh, lordy wody. This is how parents get it done quick. Do not try this at home. He's lighting them, he is. Lighting up the wind, the city. Oh, baby, you gotta give it a second. Now the wind's really going. Now, there's like no wind. Oh shit, the fire department going to our place. Oh shit, oh shit. Woo! And there's Frankie. Savage.
Did you just say savage?
Yeah, because he's standing.